guys, so in this video I'm going to be doing a Twitter follow along tutorial sort of thing. So Rihanna just came out, I think Vogue published it May 3rd. So she just came out with she did like a little 10-minute vlog, 10-minute like makeup tutorial, like showing how she does her makeup, and I thought it was like the most interesting thing in the world, and she has like such a really awesome personality, at least from the videos and stuff. So she seems really cool. She used mostly all Fenty Beauty. I think she used pretty much everything Fenty Beauty for her tutorial. I don't have anything Fenty Beauty. When the Fenty Beauty released, I was here in Japan, still here in Japan, and then when I went back to the US for like 2 weeks to visit, I didn't even step into Sephora. Like, I didn't even take one step into Sephora. I went to just Ulta, and I instantly regret it right now because I'm feeling a certain type of way with Ulta right now. So she starts off no primer from what I can tell. She has really gorgeous skin, like with no makeup and everything, but like so glowy and stuff. Her skin is okay. It's a little dry these days. She uses Fenty Beauty. She puts in like 3 or 4 pumps. And then she uses her Fenty makeup sponge to apply. I don't have that makeup sponge either, so I'm just going to use a regular sponge. I'm going to use this Shop Mascara. This is very dirty, guys. This Shop Mascara Paw Paw Charity makeup sponge. I think I'm going to use my since I think Fenty Beauty foundation is matte, right? So I'm gonna use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation matte Poreless in 330 Toffee Caramel. So I think for most part everything I'm gonna be using is like the very affordable. So it's gonna be almost kind of like the drugstore affordable version of what she's doing. Okay, so she puts it on her hand, she gets the sponge, and then she applies it this way. She does like swiping motions. Like she swipes down and then she pats in, swipes down, pats in.
Okay, that's only half of my face. I can do my makeup in 10 minutes or...
Okay, so now that I've kind of blended out with the blender, I've blended out all my foundation. So next she does contour. She uses, for the Fenty Beauty line, she uses her like stick contour or whatever. I don't have a stick contour, don't have Fenty Beauty, I don't have a stick contour in general. I'm going to just use a concealer contour. So she looks like she's not using a contour that's particularly super dark against her. Like hers is a pretty soft contour. So I'm going to try it. This is actually a little, very, very close to my skin tone. A little more red, actually. It's not the best contour shade. So she is contouring. Yeah. I'm going to use this. This is from Shop Mascara, so this is $1. AOA Studio High Def Brush in F2. So I'm going to blend it out to make sure to blend this section right here into a V to elongate the neck and whatnot. I've never actually tried that and heard of that before, so I'm going to try it. I wonder if it's actually going to do something.
Because I hate to see that white line between your forehead and your hair. You should just blend in naturally. And up and down the nose. Contour always starts off looking absolutely crazy. Hide that double chin. Yes.
So I'm gonna try to do this V thing she was talking about.
Triangle when you're doing a contour under there. Give you that whole long neck situation. It just disappears.
Does it elongate my neck, guys? My neck doesn't feel any longer. Okay, so I just finished blending out all of the contour. She does concealer next. Again, she takes her Fenty Beauty contour
everybody knows
concealer. She puts some on this side first, and then she blends it out with a little tiny teardrop sponge. I don't have one, so
really depends on
use this. This is another Shop Mascara
it depends on
sponge for $1.
how lazy I'm feeling that day, how much in a rush I am, you know, who I'm going to see. It all determines what kind of makeup I do, if I do makeup, and how much makeup I'm gonna wear.
Okay. Then I think she brings it down to the side of her nose. So yeah.
Whoa. Alright, I'm gonna go around my nose because I'm a little sunburnt right now, so I have a little redness there. Straight up.
Yes, straight up and down the nose bridge.
Mattifying this face a little bit.
Okay, then she powders. She does her Fenty blotting powder. I don't have that. Person keeps saying I don't have that. I think I'm going to stop saying I don't have that because you guys at this point know I don't have that. I have nothing. I'm a broke girl. So I'm going to use my Rimmel Stay Matte Long Lasting powder in translucent. So it looks like this. Oh gosh, the lighting. Bronzing over where she contoured. So I'm gonna do that. This is the NYX matte bronzer in deep tan. It looks like this.
A little bit of bronzer.
I really like this.
And I go right over that
Got
contour.
this recently on my trip to the
blend
US.
is real.
Like my favorite. I wear this like literally every single day now.
Finesse on the forehead over here. You guys can see it's not that difficult. It only takes.
Okay. So then she does her brow. She does like the magic, and it's there. So I'm gonna do the same things.
Brows.
Okay, so I have my brows done. You know, she did them off camera as well. So I think next she moves on to eyes. She does not seem to use like eye primer or anything. So I guess I can't really use eye primer. Okay, so what she does is take what do you call this? The bronzer. So she takes the bronzer and she puts it all over her lid crease area, and she's just like going back and forth. Okay. That's what it's looking like so far. I think her bronzer or whatnot is a little more brown, cool tone than mine. Mine is pretty orange. I like the orange, so it just brings back some color for me personally. So she takes the pink all over the lid, basically. I have a very similar color from Canmake Tokyo. It looks like this, and it's very shimmery pink. She takes a shimmery pink.
Next is going to be.
So she just puts it all over the lid.
Of eyelid drama.
Ooh, I kind of brought that up a little high.
Please. Beach, please. Get it? Yeah. I'm going to start with the pink on the lids because it says.
It's looking like this.
Sunset.
Yeah, it's really pretty. It's a very simple look. So what she does next is she will take a the same bronzer. I think the same bronzer. But she takes the same bronzer and she puts it under eye.
I always like to warm up underneath my eyes, give it a little definition. What kind of day I'm having.
That's interesting. Okay, I'm gonna take a different brush though.
How I'm gonna apply this. Most days you just want to go right by the lash line. Like
it's interesting. It kind of gives like a really interesting vibe. Her bronzer and whatnot is a little more brown, cool tone. At least from what I'm seeing on my screen.
If they're there, they're gonna show up. Like, see that right there?
Mine is pretty orangey.
Blend that out.
Yeah, I actually like this. I might do this more often. What do you guys think? Okay, so then she goes into blush. Okay, so she does blush. So for her blush, she used a pretty, very like glowy, shimmery sort of blush. It's very pretty. So I'm gonna, it's very pink actually. I don't know if I have anything quite that pink. So I'm gonna take from the Clinique, this Clinique trio. Yeah, the trio. The blush is called 14 Iced Lotus. I'm gonna take this little pink blush right here and I'm gonna mix it with my NYX Baked Blush Illuminator and Bronzer in Ignite/Passion. So I just mixed the two. And she goes, she says to smile and apply, so I'll do what she says.
I want to give you guys a vibe. And my vibe for summer is...
Yeah, so she puts it pretty pronounced here.
Is more.
So I will do the same thing.
You definitely want to smile when you're putting on your blush.
He goes in highlighter soon. So this is what I'm looking at so far. It goes pretty intense, so I will do that as well. I'm taking my AOA Wonder Baked Highlighter in Bubbly. This is $1. I'm gonna spray my brush first though, so I can get the intensity she gets.
See that? And I can get really carried away when it comes to highlight. I'm really good.
I have a couple things. I'm not sure what will work, so I'm just gonna take the same palette. I'm gonna take with a little small detail brush, and I'm gonna put it. She puts it like in here, up to here, and then a little bit in the corner, mainly on the bottom. So I'll do the same thing. Just a nice little shimmer in the inner corner. And then she does her lashes. Okay, so I have lashes on. Well, no, I don't have lashes on. I have my mascara on. So like looking at the video, I really can't tell if she's wearing lashes or not. Because to me, it looks like she's wearing mascara more than does lashes. It might be just the lashes, kind of lashes she's using. So I just put on a thick layer of mascara. I used the Wet n Wild Mega Volume mascara. I really love this mascara. Okay, and I have it on my bottom lashes as well because from what I can tell, it looks like she has some on her bottom lashes too. I really actually really like the bronzer under my eye thing. I kind of think it's really cute. It's like, I don't know, interesting look. She's taking a sort of gold pink lip color. I'm gonna take this. This is actually pretty similar in color. I think it's a pink gold. She just puts it all over. This is Profusion Metal Matte Lip Cream.
Next, I want to
The one thing about this is I don't like the wand.
This looks fresh. Like it's
I definitely have much more texture in my lips than she does.
It looks pink right here. You see a little bit of gold?
So I'm going to actually...
Look how much it really shows up.
The color's a little different from ColourPop. The Lippy Sticks and Taurus. So matte.
Guys, I mean, you guys.
Okay, that's a lot more similar, I think, in my opinion. Okay. Okay, then she does her shoulders. So, you know, she has her Body Lava, Fenty, body glowing, glowiness and everything. I don't have anything like that. So I'm going to take a NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. It's in like a fairly similar shade, I think.
It's a brand new one.
This I've never actually tried on my shoulders. Not really been much to put anything on my shoulders to make myself glow or anything. So we'll see how this goes. So she's just, you know, she has a brush. I'm gonna use this as a stepping brush.
The inspiration behind the Body Lava for me, I always used to go to the Caribbean.
Glowy. Ooh, it kind of matches my highlight. I'm gonna put more. Let's go for it. This is in my like list of things I have to finish by the end of 2018 because I never use this on my face. Maybe I can use this over the summer to get some glow. Give myself that glow I need. On the regular day, my glow and does not pop. Unfortunately, it's pretty basic. Such a good idea. I like this. Like I'll go to the beach or something. I would use this. It's great. This is good. I'm actually liking this look though, guys. This is yeah, so basically the shoulders. Ooh, it's just popping so much. I like my skin right now. Okay. Yeah, this is basically the look she came up with. This is, I'll put me side by side against her. Obviously she's so much more beautiful than I am. She's like gorgeous, but yeah, I actually really like this, especially the eye area, like the way she does her bronzer to like kind of, you know, give her that like kind of smoky, I don't know, sun, it's like sun touch, like sun-kissed look in her eyes. Like this, it just looks very sunny, summery, pretty. So yeah, this is basically the final look. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll have her video linked down in the description bar below as well. Yeah, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you want, please. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.